I had to sneeze, bro.
You had to sneeze?
Yeah.
Well, I got to sneeze too.
I was like, how many months are you pregnant? Like pregnant? Oh, you don't speak English? Damn. Congrats on the baby though. Thank you. Thank you. You don't speak English.
Yo, Jay. Yo, this is
Heaven, yeah! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Bonafide on a new video. Today we're gonna be going around.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yeah. Heaven, yeah! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Bonafide with a new video. Today we in the beautiful, magical Times Square. Today we're gonna be going around, pretend to sneeze on people. You feel me? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gone. Fuck. Shit.
Good game. Yo, Jay. Yo, this is
My bad. That sneeze on you? That's bad. Shit. Oh shit, my bad.
What the heck?
I'm sneezing.
Why are you sneezing on me?
I had to sneeze.
Why are you sneezing on me?
It was by accident. What? It was by accident. My bad.
I know what this is. Classic. Stop wild out.
Can I sneeze on you? Did I sneeze on you, bro? It's okay. Oh, my bad. Oh, shit. Oh, bad. My bad. I had season frogs.
They're doing again and again. Why?
It just keeps coming out.
I feel you're doing the same.
Huh? Ah, shit! Nah, yo, I'm recording you. It's okay if you're recording. It's okay if you're on camera, bro?
Yeah?
It's okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah?
No fist bump?
Oh.
Yeah. You gonna leave me hanging, bro?
Yeah, thank you.
Yo, I sneezed on that nigga 4 times. I feel so bad. He was a chill dude. I told him it was water. He was chilled it. Ah, shit. I had to sneeze, my bad. Do you have a napkin or something?
Okay, well, let's go and shower.
That's my Instagram though, you feel me? But yeah, now you dead look like Jen Carter though, that's crazy.
I want to see what he looks like.
Yeah.
Jen Carter, look up Jen Carter.
Type of man. I don't know these guys, man. He a drill rapper?
Yeah, it's a girl.
Oh, it's a girl? Hey, go ahead.
What? That's crazy.
Oh, it's a girl.
Look, tell me they don't look alike, bro.
Let me see.
Look, show him too,
That's crazy.
I don't know, y'all. I don't know.
Alright, it was nice. What's your names though? What's your name?
man.
Makai? Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you. Ah, shit. Fuck. My bad. It was by accident, I'm sorry. Want me to like get like a napkin for you or something? Oh yeah. I'm sorry, my bad. sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh my god. You're just like
What's your problem?
I had to sneeze. I had to sneeze.
So you sneeze on me?
Yeah.
So you sneeze on me?
Yeah.
We're like, what the fuck? Like, come on, like, go somewhere.
Excuse me. How you doing, sir? Well, wait, why are you looking at me like that? Huh? Oh, no speak English? Oh, I was gonna ask, like, how many months are you pregnant? Oh, tight? I was gonna, like, how many months are you pregnant? Like, pregnant? Oh, you don't speak English? Damn. Congrats on the baby, though. Thank you. You don't speak English. Stay hydrated. What is this?
You don't know what it is?
Dinosaur.
What do you look?
It's alive? How's it been moving his eyes?
With my hand.
Can I sneeze on your dinosaur?
Huh?
Can I sneeze on your dinosaur?
You know, you gotta pay.
I can't sneeze on it?
No. You can say hi, bud.
You want a video? For free?
What?
For free?
What?
Yes, bro.
What?
For free.
What?
You bugging.
What?
Help a black, are you black? Help a black brother out.
Yeah, what happened?
You gotta help a black brother out.
What?
What you say, bud?
Nah, I was gonna ask, can I sneeze on you?
Say what?
Can I sneeze on you?
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, you sneeze on me?
Sneeze.
Nah.
My bad, bro. It was by accident, bro.
The fuck you just
It
do?
was by accident, bro.
Bro, don't fucking do that shit.
Don't fucking do that
shit,
shit, bro.
Don't fucking do
It's a prank, bro.
that shit.
Yo, bro, you're on camera, bro.
Fuck out. Fuck's wrong?
I had to sneeze, bro.
Fuck's wrong?
I had to sneeze.
Fuck's wrong?
I had to sneeze.
What the fuck?
Shit. My bad. I had to sneeze.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Cómo estás tú? Verga, cabrón, ¿te parecía la foto de tu perfil?
I had to sneeze.
Aquí es allá.
Shit. My bad. Shit, my bad. I had to sneeze. I had to sneeze. Nah, yo, I'm fucking with you. It's water, bro. It's water. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. I had to sneeze, bro.
Bro, I just got a fucking haircut, dude. You just sneezed on me?
Yeah.
What the fuck's wrong with you, bro? It's just fucking disgusting. You have a fucking mask on.
I got ops.
You fucking retarded, bro?
I got ops.
You fucking stupid, bro? Something wrong with you?
Nah.
So why are you doing that?
I had to sneeze, bro.
You gotta sneeze?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta sneeze too.
Yo, bro. This nigga just spit on me, bro. Oh, shit. I sneeze on you? My bad. Shit. I'm messing with you with just water. It's water. I'm messing with you.
I was probably being defensive or acting tough just because sometimes if somebody is fucking around, you know how it is. And usually when I think someone's fucking with me, like
Huh? No, you? Nah.
Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Good? Yeah. Why you looking at me for? Probably raining or something. I don't know.
You had to sneeze?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta sneeze too.